Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to back up your Android phone to Google Drive. So if anything ever happens, it's located on the cloud. So we can go to the top right and go to settings. Now on your Google phone, it should be listed right here on the top. It's called like Google account, Google services. But on your Samsung phone, we want to go on down to Google and select this. Scroll on down through here. So you can see we have the recommended section, but we want to go over to all services, and then we are looking for the option to back up. So we can scroll on through here and we're looking for backup. Here's backup and restore, so let's go to backup. Then we can select our video folder and our device data, then we can go to confirm, and then we can go to manage backup since it's already turned on. And we're backing up everything to my my account right here, and then we have backup turned on, so it's on automatically, and we can go to backup right now. So if we took a bunch of photos recently and stuff and we want to make sure they're on there, well, we can see everything is getting backed up to the Google Cloud. So 4 gigabytes of data is used, and it will back up automatically. We can see the photos are backing up right now. 36 items are left. And I don't have any data on here for calls or anything else. And backup using mobile over metered Wi-Fi. So I only have it backing up on Wi-Fi. I don't have it backing up over data. So if you want that to back up anytime, just select the option down below. So all these photos are backing up right now. And you only have 15 gigabytes free. And once you hit 15 gigabytes, you're going to be getting a lot of emails from Google saying, hey, do you want to buy some more? So just be aware of that, otherwise you might get a bunch of emails. So we can swipe up now and we can go to Google and we can locate Google Drive. So everything is going to be on here now. So you can find anything under here if it backs up. So I think I have some video files backing up. I don't see anything located on here yet. So 11.23 of 15 gigabytes used. So we can go to recent, see what's on here, and I don't see anything on here. So I'm not sure where all these video files are being backed up to, but it is on here somewhere with all my settings. So if I ever need it, I can just restore it. But I can also manually upload things here too if I want. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.